Are you looking for the best DJ headphone? In this video we will look at some of the best DJ headphone on the market. Before we get started with our video,
we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Number 1. Sennheiser HD25. Sennheiser has a long-standing reputation for high-quality, commercial-grade audio products, and the HD25 headphones are no exception. These headphones provide great sound output and isolation to handle the extreme external sound volume. The HD25s are lightweight and comfortable, featuring rotatable ear cups for single-ear listening. The on-ear padding could be better and the cord could be longer, but they are durable, well-made, and should hold up to years of use. There are headphones with better sound quality and there are cheaper headphones, but none that are as ideal for DJ work for the money. That's why if you're looking for a good set of professional quality DJ headphones, the Sennheiser HD25 is the top pick. Number 2. Audio-Technica AT-HM50X. The Audio-Technica brand is highly respected in the music industry, and the AT-HM50X headphones show why. Not only are they extremely well built and comfortable with their over-the-ear design, they have some features that are useful for DJs and music professionals, like swiveling ear cups and interchangeable cables. 13. The AT-HM70X headphones offer a good frequency range and isolation as well as great sound quality. In fact, they provide the best sound reproduction of any headphones on this list and respond well to equalizer adjustments. That makes them the best all-around set of professional quality headphones and is why they are used by studio engineers and forensic sound technicians. Number 3. V-Moda Crossfade 3. V-Moda's Crossfade 3 is a solid pair of Bluetooth headphones for DJs both on and off the stage. The headphones feature Bluetooth 5.1. a new version of the wireless standard that offers almost no latency, lag, which is essential if you want to use them while making song transitions with pinpoint precision. They also support the latest audio codecs, so you can listen to high-resolution audio with far less compression. We've tested the Crossfade 3 headphones for ourselves, and liked using them a lot at 11 ounces. The Crossfade 3s were light enough to wear for extended music listening sessions without developing neck strain. This bodes well for DJs who need to wear them during a multi-hour set. Their oval-shaped ear cups had a generous amount of padding, and fit around our ears comfortably. The diamond shape on the outside of the Crossfade 3's ear cups was more visually interesting than your typical headphones, but V-Moda didn't only focus on aesthetics. Number 4. Pioneer HDJ-Q1 BT. Pioneer makes some of the best audio equipment around, so it's no surprise they have a solid lineup of headphones. The Pioneer HDJ-Q1 BT is a good pick for DJ work because they combine the functionality DJs look for at an affordable price. They offer sturdy, lightweight construction with comfortable, rotating on-ear cups, and DJ-level sound quality. Pioneer claims the battery lasts an impressive 47 hours on a single charge. The downside is the micro USB charging is slow. It would be nice to trade battery life for faster charging or the ability to easily swap out batteries. The other drawbacks are a short cord, which makes it hard to move around when plugged in, and the sound quality is not as good as other headphones on this list. Number 5. Korg NC-Q1. Korg's NC-Q1 offers good sound quality and active noise cancelling in a well-made package. The over-the-ear cups are comfortable and do a great job of blocking out background noise. They also offer Korg's smart monitoring, allowing you to activate noise cancelling for one or both ears. In theory, smart monitoring lets you turn off one side so you can mix music without taking the headphones off. The problem is this feature doesn't work intuitively and takes time to get used to. If you're working a gig, it can be distracting if you're mixing and fumbling with the controls of your headphones. Additionally, the active features are battery powered, and while the battery life is good, if it dies during a gig, you're left with a regular pair of wired headphones.